Well, after a couple trial and error approaches, I finally got this one side of this sewer grate cut off. So you ask, why am I cutting a sewer grate apart into pieces? Well, my friends, this is how poor people make tools. This is going to be one straight edge that I'm going to mill and then I'm going to scrape flat on my surface plate, and I need a straight edge because the ways on my mill are sort of screwed up, so that's why I need to make a straight edge. If I bought a blank straight edge like this, that would be about $400 or $500, which I don't have. So being poor, I scrounged around until I found some trash that I could use, and this was the sewer grate. So at first I tried using the carbide steel cutting wheel on the worm drive saw, which works great on regular steel but was worthless on cast iron. My guess is the heat of the blade was probably causing a essentially a hardening effect on it. The cast iron has a lot of carbon in solution, and it was probably forming carbides. So that didn't work. But then I found drilling it was really easy, and hacksawing it was surprisingly easy. So I figured, fuck it, why don't I try the cutoff wheel? And then so as you can see, I tried I first tried drilling through to the hacksawing, and then I got tired of that. So I said, fuck it, why don't I just try the cutoff wheel? And that got this thing all cut off. And then, because it worked really well on that, I started cutting off this longer piece that I'm going to make a longer straight edge out of it. But as you can see, I ended up wearing down my cutoff wheel quite a bit, so I need to go pick up a bigger one. Well, not a bigger one, but a not worn out one tomorrow, so I can finish cutting this piece off. And then I can go ahead and stick them on the mill. And yeah, the x-axis ways are still work perfectly fine on the mill. It's just the y-axis ones are kind of hosed, so we need to watch that. So yeah, poor people making tools.